This is it, the final, Miss Rica.
Round number 1.
The Nightmare Tapales, number 2 in the Philippines, is set to make his spring return against Thailander Southeast Asia Continental Super Bantamweight title. This is scheduled for 10 rounds, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, 10 round fight.
Tapales is wearing the black and silver trunks. Itong si Giancaio is wearing the white and red trunks.
A nice body flurry by Giancaio.
Tapales moves forward with another combination that body shot.
I think the referee, Gerald Tomaldan, tell us that it is a slip. Marlon Tapales is come swinging on this initial canto of round number 1.
He's trying to really...
Oh! Not right, connected for Marlon Tapales.
Huge chopping right hook up top by Marlon Tapales sends Giancaio down the canvas.
That right, overhand right, did connect for Tapales.
Sensing blood in the water, Marlon Tapales moves forward, but Giancaio is unfazed. Let's go of those hands.
He's trying to counter. Speaking about Giancaio.
I like how Marlon cuts the ring and doesn't let Giancaio get to the center of the ring. No, he traps him.
Again, that left straight did connect for the Nightmare, Marlon Tapales.
Certainly keeps
Oh!
Giancaio.
That left again! Send the Giancaio to the canvas for the second time.
Beautiful left.
Perfectly timed counter left for Marlon Tapales.
Certainly, partner. It seems that Giancaio is
55 seconds of round number 1.
but Marlon is set to keep him down. Another left hand for Marlon Tapales.
The first round.
An emphatic first round knockout from the Nightmare, partner.
What a WBC Continental Asian Super Bantamweight champion.
Certainly, the Nightmare is back.
Co-main event.
Certainly, it's a beautiful game plan for Tapales. He
Yeah.
doesn't let Giancaio get off from that corner. Keeps him back the ropes. Beautiful right by Marlon Tapales right there.
And the good thing about that stoppage by top of his hand did landed that sent Giancaio to the canvas. Yung isa kaliwa, yung isa kanan, and then he ended with the right again.
Certainly. There you have it. Just that's one that sent Giancaio down the canvas.
Ladies and gentlemen, Torres! And entries coming by way of knockout. Here's the former world title challenger and the former WBC interim world bantamweight champion. Ladies and gentlemen, proudly representing Sanman Boxing Gym of General Santos City, here is Reymart Assassin Gaballo. Once again, to give instruction.
We are in the co-main event of this.
Number 1.
It's Kebun Torres of Mexico.
In the last fight of Reymart Gaballo, he won the WBO Oriental Bantamweight title against Thai Paro dito rin sa Maitas Ito namang si Kebun Torres comes from Mexico. Alam mo, partner, pag sinabing Mexico at Pilipinas,
Rivalry.
boxing, oo,
Rivalry.
stiff rivals yan talaga sa boxing.
That left to the body by Gaballo did connect.
The assassin goes to the body.
He's now working early on dito sa fight na to. I'm speaking about Gaballo.
A quick
and agile Reymart Gaballo starts off in round 1 with those rapid fire punches.
Mukhang ininsayo talaga yung ni Gaballo yung left hook niya.
Certainly, partner. No? Ken Torres is actually coming from a win also, no, against Cheng Yang. This is in Vietnam in January 2024. He comes back to the ring facing. Oh! A huge left hook by Ken Torres that catches Gaballo.
Kasi pagpasok ng Gaballo, nakaano yung counter.
Salubong
yung counter.
That compounds.
And that left send Gaballo to the canvas.
The left hand of Ken Torres catches Gaballo, and he is up. Gaballo goes to the body. Ken Torres.
Again, Gaballo is down on the second time on this fight. This a little bit rubberized leg for Gaballo, partner.
There you have it. Ken Torres capitalizing on those two knockdowns with
45 minutes left on that round.
Gaballo with his hands up, trying to cover up.
That upper did connect for Torres again. What a stunning win by Torres, beating WBO #1 fighter by a first round KO, partner.
There you have it. Ken Torres of Mexico makes a statement here in the Philippines with that spectacular knockout against Reymart Gaballo.
Well, that's a part of boxing, partner. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. So, this is a great upset. Ito, partner, that left.
He came charging forward with that straight, and then he
with all the power of Torres on that left, partner.
double jab hook and double jab right hook and then left hook. Second knockdown, double jab hook